Good morning, guys. It is 5:30 a.m. on Saturday, and we are heading up north today to Oscoda, Michigan, and do an autocross event. I'm going to be driving a shifter kart, a Formula SAE car, and probably Matt's GT350R. Heading up there with my friend Matt. I am taking the M3. Got some camping stuff in here, some water, some camera equipment, testing out the practicality of the M3. See some camping equipment there. And do it on a road. We'll do a road trip with the M3. And do some fun car things. Let's get going. First, M3 cold start. Hear the valves open up. Let them warm up. Half an hour into the drive, we've met up at the intersection of 23 and 75. Yeah, here's Matt. He's bringing the Shelby. M3 is doing all right on the road trip. Do you need fuel?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good. You want to get some food before we keep getting up there? We're by the Flint Metal Center. This is a GM facility. All the way up here. We've got how long of a drive up to Oscoda? 2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours left? All right. Let's get some food.
Over that way.
I see the airport. My Google Maps is just telling me to turn, but we're almost there.
Yeah, it's telling you to go to the normal airport. So
okay.
This is the far northern portion of the airport.
All right, sounds good. Chasing down Matt and the Shelby. This thing sounds so good. I love following this thing. Ha, I can hear you through the phone too. We have arrived. We're about to swap the tires on Matt Shelby. He's got some new wheels. Running the Cup 2 tires. These Cup 2s are going to get used up on this event. Michigan's Formula SAE team's actually right there. That's pretty cool. Here's a shifter kart. Here's the older FSAE car. And then the track's out there. Alright. I'm going to start bringing the wheels over, Matt.
Okay, sounds good.
Here's the trailer. This is the guy. Wait, you brought the FSAE car here. Oh, you have an actual bed?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so bougie.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even sleeping on the ground. This is my first time doing an official autocross event, so should be fun. Track's out here. I'll try not to hit every single cone out there. The new wheels and tires are on Matt's car. Gonna helmet it up, go check out the track, and then we will go out. He's gonna take me for a ride so I can see what the track is like. Check out these new signature wheels on Cup 2s. I'm gonna burn them up. GT350R.
Yeah. So a 3-cone. And then here you brake, right-hander.
Through the gate.
Stay outside. And then it's some Wallums. Backside these, stay on the outside. And stay wide, it's a left-hander. Watch, keep your eye in the window to watch where you're going. Stay inside of this cone here. Slalom this way. Stay wide here, brake. Apex right here. Exit right there. A little back and forth. Stay wide here. Woohoo! On a 7-cone. This. And stay in between these two.
I'm done. Okay. All right, just got out of the Shelby. Did some like low speed ones. This is my first time actually autocrossing, especially with a car. Matt took me out, kind of gave me some pointers. A lot of fun. I know I have a lot to work on because I haven't done much of things like this, but it was a lot of fun. Shelby is awesome as usual. Pretty much stay in second gear. Getting the hang of the course. I completely, on the last one, I completely forgot about one of the corners, so I went too far in, but.
Yeah, you're pretty good though.
Yeah, thanks, I'm getting the hang of it. This
You
was
haven't
fun.
hit a cone yet. So.
Have not hit a cone yet. Letting the Shelby cool down. Yeah, yet. There's optimism, and then we'll take this out in a little bit. I'm sure this is gonna be a completely different kind of animal.
Absolutely.
Am I gonna be terrified? That's gonna be more terrifying, right?
That's gonna be terrifying.
My first time seeing if I fit in a Formula car.
All right,
Is there like where do I step?
So here, let's loosen the belts first. So let's get these out of the way. So then you'll feel the pedals in there.
Ah, that's hot. Oh yeah.
Oh, you got plenty of room.
Yeah, my knees are just a little high. Holy crap.
So put the wheel on. There's a quick release. You got to pull the quick release as you put it in.
Come on, there we go. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be so cool.
Oh, you're gonna have a blast.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool. All right, shifters here. Here are the wrist restraints. This is cool. That's way too close to my face. Shifter.
Be completely all set.
I'm not used to being this short either. Hello, everybody else is so tall.
So get in and get situated, and then I'll help you buckle in. So there's this anti-sub belt underneath you. Pull that up. Yep.
Or just like this?
Yep. So the key is when you hook it up, so hook it in, so pull your arm up. See how it's hooked in here. Yeah. So when you twist, your arms will come out. There you go.
Way up with the RPMs.
So higher, like put some throttle in it.
Wait, don't let it touch it. Just bring the RPMs up. Yeah, rev it up like that.
What'd you think?
Holy shit! That is so much fun!
Whoops. Right as I hit record. RPMs, higher. There you go.
Matt's about to run, see if he can beat my time, which he probably will. I think I ran a 50.6. So far this has been awesome. I've probably gone around at least 10-15 times, which is a lot better than a normal autocross day. So with Test and Tune, apparently you just get to go, which is open for the entire day. The Shelby is awesome. I love driving that thing, getting a lot more comfortable in it. It's on Cup 2s, which aren't the best for autocross apparently. The FSAE car is actually quite difficult. I was having a little bit of an issue. Listen to that. I was having a little bit of an issue getting from first into second gear, so went over to the skid pad and kind of worked on that a little bit. Gonna try it a little more. That thing is intense. And we haven't even tried the shifter cart yet, so that'll be even more intense. So it's been a lot of fun, perfect weather. Just getting to run around the track is all the fun. Giant splitter, no windshield, huge wing, and it sounds awesome when it's ripping around the track. What's the best time you've had so far today?
46.
40. That's awesome.
Yeah. It was something, I think it was 40, yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw you run look at these slicks. Wow. This thing is sweet. How much does it weigh, do you know? Completely stripped out?
It weighs right at 2,100 roughly.
2,100 pounds, wow. Oh, my.
It's not as neat and pretty as...
No, but it's functional, right? Yeah.
Well, there's some things that are needing some more work, but they're down on the priority.
Okay.
We're getting closer to them.
So what's the highlights? What's the main things you've done?
Well, it's a 3-liter V6, 2 turbos.
Yes.
have done custom radiator orientation on it.
Wow.
T5 transmission.
Okay.
Ford aluminum IRS.
Wow.
8.8 rear end.
So this is
And
Frankenstein.
Redesigned suspension.
Yeah, it's complete Frankenstein build. It's barely a Miata anymore.
Yeah, the sheet metal.
No, it's just a sheet metal. That's awesome. And look at all the planes. This is like a airport, and they still have. I think it's mainly shipment type of stuff, freight. That's what my friend said. But a bunch of really big jets back there. Who wants a private jet? Buy one. Unfortunately, Matt's dad was just out in the FSAE car, and we had a failure. It's a fatigue failure of the shock. So this shock is how many years old, Matt?
7 years old.
7 years old, and it just sheared off completely.
Whoops.
So he lost the shock in that corner. But you sure we're going at it, right?
That's Formula SCE for you.
Yep. This is, I mean, this car is from what year?
2012.
2012, yeah.
That's the original shock from it.
Race car down. All right.
Ready to hang on?
Holding on, yeah. One hand on the handle, one hand on the camera.
Okay, man, hang on.
Okay, that was amazing. Holy crap, Marcus. Wow.
Wasn't that good?
Oh, okay. I mean, the suck meter it was decently green. That was, without a doubt, the most fun I've had riding in a car in a very long time. That was amazing. That was epic. That was a lot of G-forces. Oh my God, that was awesome. All right, let's do it. That was a 48.7, but I cheated and I missed the first cone in one of the slaloms. Actually clean. Okay, that felt awesome. So we are done racing for the day. Everybody's got all their racing in, and it's dinner time. Oh God. We got steaks for dinner. Everybody gets to say hi to the camera. We're enjoying steaks and copious amounts of potatoes. Thank you so much. Steak. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that steak. You get to race all day and eat quality food. So yes, and drink beer. And drink beer. Yes.
Cheers.
Very good.
Where's my can?
Trying an IPA. Your what? Your can opener?
Canned water.
Oh, can. You have can?
Autocrossing,
Oh yeah, yeah,
you
yeah.
have to stay hydrated.
Yeah. Doesn't sound like a good combination, but it's Sunday morning. We had breakfast. I'm currently taking down my tent. Set up a little tent next to the car to sleep last night. Other people were in their trailers, have beds, or some people have like RVs. But I decided to just tent camp it because I don't have those. So this is what it was like to tent camp in a BMW M3. It worked out fine. Today we're gonna try the shifter kart, which I'm a little bit terrified of because that's gonna be even more intense than the Formula car. So yeah, you warming up the Shelby? You taking it out?
Checking the oil, doing all the...
Don't forget to check the oil though. Alright, I'm gonna finish taking my tent down. I am definitely a little sore. The Formula car is pretty intense, and then kind of just the wrist the wrist motions. My wrists are probably the most sore. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, and we'll go out and do a couple more laps, but I have to head back down to home because I gotta go see a condo. We're gonna get a ride in the vet. This is sweet. Let's go. So we're about to go out with Greg in his insanely fast Dodge Neon, which is, it looks barely like a Neon anymore, but I've got a GoPro in the car. His is extremely fast. He, I think, did really well at Champions before. I think Randy Popes is the only one who beat him in like championship. So it's extremely fast. He's warming up out there. We're gonna hop in and go for a ride. I'm expecting this is gonna be intense. Back from the shifter cart, which is absolutely insane. That was a ton of fun. There were a lot of things to get figured out, how to take off, launch it, clutch, hand shifting. I've never been on a motorcycle. Today was my first time riding ATV, but that was unbelievable. The GoPro footage will be funny. I definitely hit a couple cones. Got a little bit confused, stalled. But it was just, that was just amazing. Adrenaline rush is crazy. Shifter carts are awesome. That was fun. Thanks again to Marissa and Matt and their families and everybody for inviting me out. This thing, I want one now. This is bad. You guys, first I want to buy a Shelby for Autocross or an M2 or something. Now I want a shifter cart.
My mission is complete.
Oh yeah, Matt, you're evil. Draining my bank account is your new mission. That was a ton of fun. Hope you guys like this video showing what it's like. I mean, this event is really cool. We ran, I mean, I've lapped probably at least 24 times, almost probably 30 something laps around here, not like a normal autocross session. I think this is the best way to do it. Got to fully enjoy the car, try out, meet different people, ride along. The ride alongs were awesome. Think about that Corvette, Greg's Neon. So it's been a lot of fun. Hope you guys like this video. Any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.